It's 2009 Ford Escape. Oh, actually 2010 or 11. 2007 or 8 to 2012. Same. Blower motor replacement. AC still working. Air just not blowing in vents. All we need is this, a blower motor. I usually got it from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Tonight, AutoZone's price was pretty much the same as O'Reilly Auto Parts, so we just got it from AutoZone since they were closer. So under the glove box, there, right under here, this is the blower motor. A little vent over here. Remove that, pull the two tabs, squeeze the two tabs, remove that, get that out the way, unplug the connector, which is right here, squeeze and pull, of course. Now all we do is turn, not even, maybe a 1/16 of a turn, and pull it down, and push the kick panel in a little bit over here, pull that out. There's the old one, here's the new one. We'll pull this vent part off of this one, so we can twist it in, squeeze, get the camera right here, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did to the old one, squeeze and pull it up and off. This one seems a little more difficult. There we go. Squeeze the two tabs in. Pull it up and off. Now take the new one, slide it under there, into place. And put it same way you took it out. Now that 1/16 of a turn, lock it in clockwise. Plug in the connector. So this is for the snap. So there's the snap. Here's our new vent for the cooler for the motor, I guess. Line it up. Oh, twist it around. Snap it in. Now let's test it. See how it works. Voila. Blowing nice. Try to all speeds. There's low. No weird noises. Working great.